Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your contracts with DocuSign, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the DocuSign website and log in to your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by selecting the sign up option. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. To start a new contract, click on the New button located on the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Send an envelope. You will now need to upload the document you want to send for signing. Click Upload and choose the file from your device. Once the file is uploaded, you can add the recipient's email addresses in the designated fields. Next, select the role of each recipient, such as signer or carbon copy. You can customize the email message that will be sent to the recipients. After setting up the recipients, click Next to prepare your document for signing. In the document preview, drag and drop the necessary fields for signatures, dates, and other information required from the signers. You can adjust the size and position of each field to suit your document. Once you've added all required fields, review your document to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, click Send to deliver the document to your recipients. You can track the status of your document from the dashboard under the Manage tab. Here, you will see when the document is viewed, signed, and completed. If you need to make changes to a document, select it from your list and choose the Edit option. After making your changes, remember to send it out again for signatures. Once the document is fully signed, you can download it in various formats by selecting the Download button. You can create a template by selecting Templates from the menu and then New. Name your template and add all required fields. For easy access, use tags to categorize your templates. Finally, keep your documents organized by regularly clearing out completed contracts and archiving as necessary. This concludes your complete guide on managing contracts with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.